9793, and we just got our parts from McMaster, so we're just gonna see what we got in our small box. Paper. Ooh, we got big boy toys. We got a very nice wrench key thing. Screws. More screws. More parts, 4 screws. More parts, 4 screws.
More
Nuts, 4 screws. More screws. And a box. My favorite part. And now, in this great thing, we got paper.
Right.
Polycarbonate, I believe. No.
Yes.
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 Polycarbonate for our chassis. A nice sheet of aluminum for our chassis.
Whoa, you got good metal now. It's a nice metal. I thought it would be
Another
black.
box in a box.
Oh, you gotta open that one.
Yo, this is a dope unboxing video.
McMaster cart is amazing. I'm a box.
And finally, besides the styrofoam that's in this box, we got what seems to be
Oh, that's the lattice aluminum.
the lattice aluminum. Thank you for joining us for this episode of unboxing. See you next time.